Okay. So we're going to natural earth data, and we're going to get the countries file. So small scale data, right? We want to make a map of the world. So, and we can do cultural data because boundaries of countries are just cultural, right? There's no actual boundary in the sand between the US and Mexico. So then I always like this without boundary lakes file. Remember that was like the Great Lakes here in the US are just punched out of the map because they're just water. I like it when it's just the land is shown. So I just downloaded this and I'll save this in a new commodities folder. And basically, new arc map. Just going to pull in that data. Right, there's our world map. The thing we want first is just that table of country names. And the reason we want to pull it out is because we want to make sure these are spelled exactly the same so we can join that data back in later on. So I think all we need is this sovereignty. Let's see. So I'm just going to reduce the amount of things you can see. And then this is the table I'm going to export. It's just 2 columns, just country names, basically. So remember, I open the table, and then I can do export. And I can do a text file. I can say countries.csv, and it will give me a nice Excel table. All right. So this you will take to your meeting with the other class, right? And what we're going to do is, I guess we'd call it type or commodity flow stage, basically. And so if they say, all right, the DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, is the mind here, or just mind. And then I don't know what the difference between these two is, so you might Google that. And maybe it's also mind here. And then if they ship it to China, manufactured, right? So that's literally, that'll be the assignment, just collect that information and then also collect kind of what they're envisioning for what the map might look like, you know? And if they have no idea, then just grab this and we'll do some research, make a cool map, either way. So not too bad, right? It'll be good, be like your consultants. You just go and like sit with them and get their, you know, ideas about what they think is possible, and then you can inform them of what is actually possible. Just typically how it goes. And you can come up with the categories that you're going to use. So, save that guy. And then, you know, once that's all set, you can right-click on this and join that same table back in based on the country name, and it will just zip right back in because it's came from here. So like, it's definitely going to have exactly the same names of everything, you know. So I'll just go through the process so it's on the video. So we had that Excel. I don't think the Excel is going to work. We found out. So actually, after you save it, here we'll just do one of these. And then you got to save it as a CSV. Remember, we went through this, I think, last semester with data. And then I can come in here, join. Validate, everything should match. 177 of 177, that's what we want. And then you can imagine when all your categories are spelled out, you can just come in here, switch it to type, and go. Get a nice map. So it'll just be, then we can spend some time making it look nice. So.